Hey guys, and it's time to talk about the Galaxy X. Previously, there was a news that the phone does not exist as the model number G888 was associated with a rugged Samsung phone, but now it is confirmed by Samsung that their phone is indeed real, and it was even revealed at CES 2018 in a private meeting. Yes, the Galaxy X foldable smartphone was indeed revealed in a private meeting. The sources said that it was almost a finished product. Samsung showed how the phone can bend inward and even outward. We now have an actual screen size info, what this phone will look like, and also the information regarding its release. You guys remember my last video where I showed you this concept of Galaxy X made by concept creator based on one of the older patents, and now it turns out that this is how it's really going to happen. So right around the CES time, Samsung filed another patent with WIPO showing a foldable device with a flexible display. Compared to all the previous patents, this one is in English language and it contains specific details regarding the specs of device, how it's going to happen. It's not in Korean, it's a much detailed information. You can actually download the patent. I will leave a link below in the description box if you're interested in reading the whole document. Feel free to read it. Basically, the phone consists of two parts. There is a 7.3-inch large OLED display on the front. Samsung Display recently said to an anonymous source that they have indeed developed a 7.3-inch foldable panel with plans to start production later this year. And it is said to use a polyimide film to achieve a foldable display. The film is lightweight, flexible, and resistant to heat and chemicals, which makes it ideal for a foldable device. You can notice a hinge in the middle where the phone will bend inwards. This hinge connects the two parts of the Galaxy X. On the left of the hinge, or the upper part, will have the processor and the memory stuff, while the part on the right, or the lower part, will include the battery. We also have a home button on the front, which is smaller than a usual Samsung phone home button because they want to create a different look of this foldable phone compared to their normal flagship phones. This home button will also going to feature a fingerprint scanner. Volume rocker can be seen on the left, power button can be seen on the right, along with the SIM card tray. The headphone jack is still here. Even with a foldable phone, Samsung is not letting go of the good old headphone jack. The speaker is also down below, and there is a USB 2.0 charging port. It's not Type-C, but I'm pretty sure it's going to support fast charging. There is indeed a camera on the back of the phone that has LED flash as well, and heart rate monitor. You can also see the front camera sensor, along with the sensor module that includes light sensor, optical sensor, proximity sensor, infrared sensor, or ultrasonic sensor. The LED indicator will also be on the front to let you know about the notification. So, as mentioned by multiple sources, Samsung showed inward and outward bend of this phone in a private meeting. The bending inward was not a problem at all, but bending outward is where things get tricky. The durability issue was the main thing that stopped Samsung from publicly unveiling this device. It's been said that the Galaxy X with inward folding will be unveiled first. The outward bending is considered as the next level of foldable innovation, so Samsung will make that happen, but first we'll only see the inward bending Galaxy X smartphone. Guys, it's real. It is closer than you think. Samsung is making this dream a reality. The foldable tech is the future. It is the next level of innovation. As far as the release date is concerned, it's been said by Samsung CEO himself, DJ Ko, that we want to unveil the products properly, but now seems a bit early. He further said that it is simply too early to talk about an introduction date. So back in September, he did say that Samsung will reveal foldable smartphone in 2018, but now seems like that might not happen, and we might have to wait till 2019. But yeah, this is the Galaxy X. The name is not confirmed, but it is expected that this is what they're gonna call it. It could also be a part of the Note lineup as well if they add the stylus support to it, which seems likely as the phone is so big. It's, kind of like a tablet slash phone hybrid thing. Adding the S Pen to it definitely makes a lot of sense to me. Further good news about this is that not only smartphone, but Samsung will also going to make foldable notebook PCs and tablet PCs and similar electronic devices in the future. So this is the future of Samsung in 2019. A new category of tech is about to be born. Sadly, 2018 might not be the year to see this. I hope we all be here alive and well till 2019 to witness the greatness that Samsung is about to bring. But let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. What you think about this foldable Galaxy X? Are you excited? And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.